Many people says that the Om is the sound of the universe, but the Upanishad says something else. In the Katha Upanishad, the highest reality is called Om, not because it makes a sound, but because the mind needs a name. The book beautifully explained why the absolute reality needs that name. So I will be explaining through the book.
What name can man give to God? How can the infinite be bound by any finite word? All that language can be expressed must be finite, since it is itself finite. Yet it is very difficult for mortals to think or speak of anything without calling it. By a definite name. Knowing this, the sages gave to the Supreme the name Om. Om, which stands as the root of all language. The first letter A is a mother sound, being the natural sound uttered by every creature when the throat is opened. No sound can be made without opening the throat. The last letter M, spoken by closing the lips, terminates all articulation. As one carries the sound from the throat to the lips, it passes through the sound U. These three sounds therefore cover the whole field of possible articulate sound. Their combination is called the Akshara, or the imperishable word, the sound Brahman, or the word God, because it is the most universal name which can be given to the Supreme. Hence it must be the word which was in the beginning and corresponds to the logos of the Christian theology. It is because of the all-embracing significance of this name that it is used as universally in the Vedic scriptures to designate the Absolute.